Ooh, soft as jingle bells, heartbeat like kick. Ooh, this December night. Snowflakes fall as I walk through the town. Holiday lights flicker gold all around. Every window is glowing with somebody new, but every reflection still shows me and you. I gave you my secrets, I gave you my time. I wrapped up my heart like a gift at the pine. But seasons will change and the truth melts through. Now Christmas feels different without loving you. I tied every ribbon around what we had, held on to the good, let go of the bad. But memories fade like the frost from the glass. I'm finally ready to leave it in the past. This December night, I'm letting you go like snow in the wind and the soft winter glow. I gave you my love, but you let it fall apart. Now I'm taking back the pieces of my heart on this Christmas Eve. I'm finally alright, finding my way in the silver moonlight. I'm stronger than I was when you said goodbye on this December night. Crowded streets hum with warm holiday cheer, but I'm learning to breathe without holding your fear. Every star in the sky seems to shimmer brand new, like it's lighting the way to a life without you. I'm slowly rebuilding the parts that you broke, breathing again through the cold winter smoke. Love shouldn't vanish like ice on the street. I'm finding a rhythm in my own heartbeat. I'm done chasing echoes of what used to be, done holding the weight of our history. Now hope is a fire that's burning bright. I'm stepping forward into the night. This December night, I'm letting you go like snow in the wind and the soft winter glow. I gave you my love, but you let it fall apart. Now I'm taking back the pieces of my heart on this Christmas Eve. I'm finally alright, finding my way in the silver moonlight. I'm stronger than I was when you said goodbye on this December night. Ooh, I'm letting go tonight. And the bells ring out as the night grows clear. No more shadows of the past lingering here. I'm dancing alone, but it finally feels right. A brand new beginning wrapped up in the night. I'm learning that love doesn't end with the snow. Sometimes you lose things to help yourself grow. This December night, I'm letting you go like the dawn melting fresh winter snow. I gave you my love, but you let it fall apart. Now I'm healing every corner of my heart on this Christmas Eve. I'm shining so bright, dancing alone in the silver moonlight. I'm stronger now, and I'm ready to rise on this December night. Soft fading scents like bells. This December